guys, it's Abby. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick look that I think would look really good with people that have brown eyes. The Kristen Dominique palette has a lot of those shades that go along with that. So I decided to go ahead and just do a look that focused on those colors. And if you're interested, keep watching. So as you guys know, I'm going to prime with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. So this is the Berries and Cream. I still have the little paper there, but it's a very beautiful palette. So basically I'm going to start off with the color Cherry Juice, which is this one right here. I'm just going to go ahead and dip the e.l.f. contour brush and put it all over my crease. Oh wow, it's really nice and pigmented. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. So now that I have this on, I actually think that this would be a really pretty look to do a cut crease with. So I'm going to go ahead and use a little tiny bit of my concealer. And I'm just going to load all the concealer onto it and go ahead and cut my crease. So this concealer is going to provide a sticky base for your eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and put the color Warm Pie, which is this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and put this one all over the concealed area, and I'm just going to use this e.l.f. brush. I do want to make that just a little bit darker, so I'm going to use the 220, the e.l.f. 220, and really darken that crease, making sure not to mess up the cut crease that we had already created. So now that I've got this, I'm going to go ahead and use Chocolate Mousse as the darkening color for the outer V area. I'm going to go ahead and take this same e.l.f. 220 and dump it into Chocolate Mousse and put that in the outer V. So through this way I kind of created more of a half cut crease, which is what I tend to go for more often than a full cut crease. Alright, so apparently my camera's gonna die soon, so but I went ahead and did my foundation. I'm gonna do my eyeliner real quick. As you know, I use the Tarte Clay Pot eyeliner. Okay, so I went ahead and did my concealer, and I also set it with translucent powder, so I'm currently baking. And I did my eyebrows. These are all things that I've done on camera before in my past videos, so I just didn't think it was necessary to keep it on here. So now that that's done, I'm going to tightline real quick with the Revlon Colorstay black eyeliner. Now with the other e.l.f. contour brush that I have, this one's way cleaner, I'm going to go ahead and dip into Soft and Sweet, which is this one right here, and blend out this part that I have up here. now that I have that, I'm going to load on the mascaras. Usually I use both of these. I use the Colossal Big Shot to just kind of spread out my eyelashes, and I use the Falsies to really build them up and do a few layered coats. While this kind of dries, I'm going to go in with my Chanel powder brush and just take off all the translucent powder. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the Cali contour palette from Smashbox and use the same contour shade to bronze my face and kind of build that contour. And I use the Face Secrets brush for that. It's the powder brush. Alright, and now I'm going to use this baked bronzer from Milani. It's in the color Soleil, and I use this one to kind of blend out the contour and just kind of bronze the rest of my face. I'm using the Revlon blush brush. And then I go ahead and use a blush on top, which for today I'm doing one called Red Vino from Milani as well. And I use very little of it. It's more of like a dusting on. And then if I do feel like it looks like too much, which on camera it kind of does, I go ahead and use the Chanel powder brush and just kind of blend that out again. Just to kind of make it a little bit less harsh. Hold up, Mama's texting. The pizza guy was here and I had to go open the gate for him, but I'm back. I'm actually very surprised that the camera has not died yet. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and use the e.l.f. 220 to go ahead and add the eyeshadows at the bottom. So first off, I'm going to start off with Cherry Juice and just put that on the whole bottom. Now that I kind of have that, I'm going to deepen the black liner and add some more coats of mascara with the Falsies, both on the top and the bottom eyelashes. Now that I have that done, I'm going to do my highlighter and my lips. So for highlighter, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Duo Highlighter. I'm going to use the e.l.f. highlighting brush, and I think I'm going to use the Fire Crystal one. I really do like this one. It's like a really pretty highlight. I don't know if you can tell. It's really, really beautiful. On my nose, I'm just going to put a little bit of lightning dust, and then going down the bridge, just a little tiny bit. I'm going to just, whatever's left on this, I'm going to go ahead and try and bronze up the sides of my nose to contour it a little bit. So now that I have this, I'm going to just use the Revlon blush brush again to kind of blend the blush and the highlighter a little bit so it's not too harsh. And use my lip liner. Oh, I'm not going to do lip liner today because I wanted the lips to be pretty natural, pretty like nude, since the eyes are pretty dark and dramatic. So I'm using the Urban Decay lipstick. It's a comfort matte. It's in the color Carnal. It's a really pretty pink. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it like this, just kind of blending it out with my finger.